we are celebrating our 10th anniversary, and thanks to be a part of Certified Marketing. Today we are celebrating our client with us to join this journey with us. So I know that every company starts with some vision and mission. So every company has some vision. So in Certify also we have some vision in their Certify. So particularly I just wanted to ask you the clients first. Is there no the meaning of the Certify Marketing? If you have some idea.
Means half of the name is to the sale.
Correct.
That is very clear.
Correct.
And Certify gives you wings to grow. This is what I can.
Actually, you are 50% right, sir. Your first word is sale is right. It's a combination of two words. First is sale and second is satisfy. So our vision is to satisfy the sales of every company.
Yeah.
So that's why we are starting this journey, and we are working with the almost every industry right now. This journey starts with the passion of our founders, our dedication of our team, and the most important thing, the trust of our clients on us, and we help them in our journey, sir. So I'm proud to be a part of Certify Marketing, and I would like that trust will long life with us. And thank you so much.
A round of applause to all of us who are here to celebrate this 10th years of anniversary of Certify. So today here we are not just celebrating of 10th year of anniversary. It's a 10th year of trust, relationship, growth, partnerships, and success. When I started working on this digital marketing field, so it's almost 12 years before I started in this field. So at that moment, what I noticed that only search engine optimization (SEO) that's play a very important role at that time, and organic result, either it's in any field, either social media. Even at that moment, even social media doesn't have that page option, business page option they don't have. So people are only dependent on the search engine, and that moment we have Google, Bing, Yahoo. Even like social media evolved with us, like first Facebook, and then Instagram. Instagram comes very late in this digital marketing era. So when Facebook, we have observed like for one like only 20 paise, 30 paise we have means Facebook have charged us. But now if we see for one likes or one views or impressions, we have to spend handy amount of rupees to like social media platform. So there is a lot of change we have observed from last 10 years of the continuous journey. Now we see like there is AI has come involved with us, then influencer marketing, then now voice search has been evolving with search engine. So many of the new things has coming up. That is the thing that from initial years when we started, we thought whatever challenges come to us, we take as a challenge and we prove ourselves, and we will showcase the result to our client. And that's the reason we survive and we are still here when we are celebrating here our 10 years of anniversary. And I just want to say like thank you so much to our team members first who like support us. Because of them, we can continue this journey. Whoever come and work with us, we also learn from them. Some of the new things they also come up and showcase us, so that is also learning for us. And to our client who always believe in us, and then only we can showcase our journey and we can showcase growth to them.
Yes.
So happy 10th anniversary to Certify. Thank you so much everyone.
Always tell me कि हमेशा याद रखना है एक चीज कि मैं Certify का PM हूँ. So अगर कुछ आप मिस आउट करते हो या फिर कुछ सजेशंस है, सर also keep updating from the new market trends. Also जो जैसे अपनी टीम है वो भी ट्रेंडिंग चीजें फॉलो करती है. So
सो ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस की जो लेन देन होती है, सो वी लर्न लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस एंड जो मुझे पर्सनली उनका जो बिहेवियर पसंद है, दैट इज अ कामनेस. सो ईच एंड एवरी सिचुएशन में वी इज लाइक कि ठीक है हो जाएगा. सो किसी भी चीज़ में अगर हड़बड़ी नहीं करनी है, अगर हम लोग धीरे से अगर कुछ चीज़ें करते हैं, सो दैट मेक सेंस कि ज़्यादा अच्छे से वी कैन गिव द बेटर रिजल्ट्स. सो थैंक यू सो मच नीलेश सर, एंड विश यू हैप्पी दिस.
We here in Certify, we are trying to optimize the campaigns from scratch, or we are planning a ad strategy for the clients, how we can build better ad copies, or what we can say Google ads in the platform Google. So we are here to help the clients to grow their businesses. बेसिकली मार्केटिंग में, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, जिसकी फुल फनल जाते हैं, हाफ फनल जाते हैं, या फिर डायरेक्टली हम लीड या फिर सेल्स में फोकस करते हैं. तो बेसिकली अगर क्लाइंट अगर नया है मार्केट में, तो उसके लिए मार्केट रिसर्च करना, पहले मार्केट में वो चीज़ चलेगी या नहीं, उसका एनालिसिस करना. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम खुद पहले रिसर्च करते हैं, एनालिसिस करते हैं, उसके बाद क्लाइंट को हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. हियर इन सर्टिफाई व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट टू in minimum ad spending we can generate a maximum ROS, so we are focusing on that also. So sometimes it happens like कभी-कभी होता है कि Google ad चल रहा है बीच में बंद हो जाता है, या फिर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, तो suddenly it happens like Google ने कुछ अपडेट कर दिया हो नया, या फिर तो वो सारी चीज़ें क्लाइंट को भी एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता है कि हाँ ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही है, किस वजह से हो रही है वो भी एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम मतलब एनालिसिस करते हैं, उसका प्रॉपर्ली डेटा ओरिएंटेड है हमारा, मतलब अप्रोच रखते हैं, नॉट गेसिंग बट डेटा ओरिएंटेड. सो इट डिफर्स की सर्टिफाई कैसे काम करती है. सो ये थैंक यू फॉर